Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Focus. This is the only place to create a true focus profile. Once there, pick a preset or press plus to make a new one. You choose who can interrupt you and which apps can send notifications. Make sure iCloud is active so the focus syncs across devices. That prevents conflicting alerts. Once done, name the focus and pick an icon. Those small details help you recognize the mode quickly. Next, customize notifications. Tap People to permit important contacts, and then Apps to allow essential apps. You can allow calls from favorites or specific groups, and choose if repeated calls bypass the focus. Once done with allowed lists, enable focus status so apps can show others you have notifications silenced. Then set a schedule or use smart activation to have the focus turn on automatically based on time, location, or app usage. This reduces manual switching and keeps interruptions minimal. Finally, polish your focus by customizing home and lock screen options. Hide pages, show specific pages, or dim the lock screen to reduce temptation. Turn on share across devices so every Apple device follows the same focus. Test it by enabling the focus and sending a test message from another device. If it doesn't behave, make sure focus filters aren't blocking notification routes. Verify Do Not Disturb overrides.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.